Managing weight effectively requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses both dietary and lifestyle factors. Here, we'll delve into 10 key strategies for achieving safe and sustainable weight loss. Monitor caloric intake. Understanding the balance between calories consumed and calories burned is crucial for weight management. Utilize tools like calorie tracking apps or food journals to keep a record of your daily intake and expenditure, enabling you to make informed decisions about your diet. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Opt for nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, helping to keep you feeling satisfied. Control portions. Portion control is key to preventing overeating. Use measuring cups, kitchen scales, or visual cues to gauge appropriate serving sizes. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and paying attention to hunger cues can also help you avoid consuming excess calories. Increase physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week, supplemented by muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days. Choose activities you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing, to make exercise enjoyable and sustainable. Choose healthy beverages. Opt for hydrating beverages like water, herbal tea, or sparkling water over sugary drinks to reduce calorie intake and support hydration. Limiting alcohol consumption is also advisable, as it can add empty calories and may stimulate appetite. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support metabolism and reduce cravings. Manage stress. Practice stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or mindfulness to alleviate stress and prevent emotional eating. Engage in activities you enjoy, spend time outdoors, and prioritize self-care to promote emotional well-being. Avoid emotional eating. Learn to recognize emotional triggers for eating, such as boredom, stress, loneliness, or sadness, and find alternative coping strategies to address these emotions. Practicing mindful eating can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues and prevent overeating. Set realistic goals. Establish SMART goals and celebrate achievements along the way. Stay motivated. Keep a journal. Seek support from friends or online communities, and embrace variety in your routines to stay motivated. In summary, successful weight management relies on a balanced approach involving healthy eating, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and realistic goal setting. By incorporating the 10 strategies outlined, you can embark on a journey towards safe and sustainable weight loss, improving both your physical health and overall well-being. Stay committed, celebrate progress, and prioritize your long-term health for lasting success.